As Total Eswatini, it gives us great pleasure and excitement, and of course it's fulfilling to see the Swazi frontier grow year by year. The number of people or the cycles that I've been speaking to, interacting with, they're from all different parts of the world, which is very exciting to Total because as a global company, we also feature in those other countries. What makes it even more encouragement or exciting for Total to be part of it is at the end of the whole race, the group from Swazi Frontier, they actually go out to assist the areas that the route is going through. I think in those communities, they all look forward to October. They all look forward to the visitors, they look forward to seeing these people. The fact that the cyclists stop to interact with them, you know, it really makes it a reason why we would want or we love our relationship with Swazi Frontier.